Yes, welcome once again to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you a very simple way to make a drip irrigation system for your plants, especially if you have a small garden and you don't want to spend so much on making the drip irrigation system. So we are just going to use a PET waste bottle, water bottle, or a soda bottle like this one. This is a 2 liters one. So we will also need a small nail and a lighter or any source of heat so that it can heat the nail. Now let's heat the nail so that we can use it to punch a small hole. Yeah, just like that. Till it is hot. Now after heating, we will make a small hole at the bottom here. Just a small one. Oh, it did not heat very well. We will heat again. Try again. Oh. Yeah, as you can see, there is a small hole there. Yeah, that is good enough. You make a small hole like that one. Yes. Now, to do some testing, we will fill the bottle with water, and then I will show you how we can control the drip emission to the plant. Now let's go to this next stage, fill it with water. You can hold the part with your hand so that the water can be filled. Now it is full, as you can see. Then we lock it. We return the cap back. Now you will notice that the water is not dripping. When the cap is on, the water is not coming. You see, that is where we did put the hole. So you can control the amount of water that comes out by adjusting the cap like that. You see. So depending on the requirement of your plants, you can adjust the water the way you want it. You can even time it so that you know how many minutes the 2 liters will take. You can control it until it's just a drop. Let me put it like this so that you see. You see, I control yes, you control the cap slowly and the water comes. And you reduce the amount. So as you can see, you see how the water is coming in drops. That depends on how you control the cap. As you can see from there, you can release it and water comes flashing out. So depending on the crop, you can just put it and you control the water with the cap like that. Look at those drops. Now let's go to the real farm and see how that works. You can actually do it on your farm, but on this case we are just going to use a planter like this one. Then we just put it like that. Then we control how much water comes out. You see? As simple as that. and it will stay that, and it will irrigate the planter. You can also use it for food crops in your farm. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe.